But is it actually worth your money or just more marketing magic? Today, we're breaking down the latest iPhone features so you can decide, upgrade now or hold out. Stick around. The truth might surprise you. Every year, Apple promises that their newest iPhone is the best one yet. But in 2025, the upgrades are looking actually game-changing. So, let's take a closer look at what's new and whether you should upgrade or skip it. 1. New design. Sleeker and smarter, the latest iPhone design features thinner bezels, a titanium frame, and a punch-hole front camera. The phone feels lighter, more premium, and more durable than ever before. 2. AI-powered camera system, your pocket photographer. The camera now uses AI image processing for studio-quality portraits, perfect night shots, and real-time video enhancements. You also get cinematic mode upgrades, 8K video, and improved zoom with periscope lenses. 3. A18 chip. Blazing fast performance. Apple's new A18 Bionic chip brings major speed and efficiency gains. Whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking, this iPhone is a beast. Plus, the AI Neural Engine is twice as fast. 4. Display upgrades. Brighter, smoother, smarter. Enjoy a Super Retina XDR display with 120Hz ProMotion that now adjusts even more precisely to your content. HDR video looks stunning, and the brightness hits up to 3000 nits for outdoor use. 5. Battery life. Smarter, longer, cooler. Thanks to better battery optimization and a more efficient chip, battery life is up to 20% longer. Plus, smart charging adapts to your habits to preserve long-term battery health. 6. iOS 19, a smarter experience. With the new iOS 19 update, users get deeper customization, new lock screen widgets, AI voice commands, and enhanced privacy features. It's not just a phone, it's your smart assistant. 7. USB-C port. Finally, Apple has finally switched to USB-C. Goodbye lightning cables. You now get faster charging, universal compatibility, and better data transfer speeds. 8. Satellite connectivity. Stay connected anywhere. The new satellite SOS features now support more countries and offer text messaging even in remote areas. Perfect for travelers, hikers, or emergencies. 9. Enhanced Face ID. Faster and in any orientation. Face ID is now faster and works at more angles, even while lying down. It also adapts better to lighting conditions and partial obstructions like glasses or masks. And price and models. Worth the upgrade. The new iPhone models include Standard, Pro, and Ultra, while the base model is packed with value. The Ultra brings all the premium perks, but with a steep price tag. So, is it worth the upgrade? If you're using an iPhone that's more than 2 years old, absolutely. The performance, camera, and new iPhone features bring a serious leap forward. But if you've got last year's model, you might want to wait, unless you're after specific upgrades like USB-C or that insane AI camera. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Apple news, tech reviews, and iPhone comparisons.